Hello, thank you for giving us a chance today to introduce our company. Thank you for this opportunity. I'm here to talk about reinforced electrolyte membrane technology that we have developed over many years. Let me just jump in. These are the contents of the presentation. We will begin with introduction. Here, as you can see, we were founded back in 1974. We have about 500 employees, and our revenue back in 2021 was $170 million. And let's see, here are our corporate history. So since 74, a lot has happened. Some of the major events that led to developing reinforced electrolyte membrane was in 2016, we developed our own EPTFE membrane, and from there, in 2020, we actually started manufacturing our own electrolyte membrane. Let me talk more about our company. So these are the key business areas. So besides membrane, we have about six other sectors. And to be honest, we've been more active in these sectors more than membrane sector. Membrane sector is actually one of our latest business area. So uh, we have rechargeable battery sector. We are actually making some parts that goes into PEP assembly and some gaskets. And our major customer is Samsung SDI. And when it comes to semiconductor, we produce wafer carrier or cassettes and ETFE film. And once again, here our main customer is Samsung Electronics. And we also have display. We also have OA, which is office appliance. And here we mainly work with printer companies actually. So we produce transfer and fusing belts. Uh, so our major customers are HP, Kyocera, or Toshiba. And we also have parts that goes into automobile. So our main customers range from Mando to Mobis. And we also have PCB sector, and we have another like new item coming out of this sector, uh, but I will save that for other time. And so on the top we have membrane, and our major customers range from Hyundai Mobis to Freudenberg Biden, and products range from EPTFE to polymer electrolyte membrane. And how do we do all of these products? We have these various manufacturing techniques that we have accumulated over many years. So they range from injection molding to pressing to lamination to all the way to assembly and mix and polymerization. And here is the core technology that we want to introduce today. It is our ePTFE membrane technology. Here, E stands for expanding, so it's actually expanding PTFE membrane technology. So, in other words, it's basically we stretch PTFE sheets to generate uniform nano-sized micropores, and many numbers of in very small size of micropores are generated. And when it comes to commercializing, there are very many areas that we can use these products. So they range from air filters to outdoor clothes, to liquid filters to vent filters, and the last but mostly importantly for us, electrolyte membrane. So let me talk about our electrolyte membrane itself more in detail. So we developed this technology based on engineering EPTFE. It is a key component of the hydrogen fuel cell MEA, and it prevents hydrogen at the anode side from meeting oxygen at the cathode side directly. And I will talk more about the MEA later. And our product has excellent mechanical strength and excellent chemical resistance because we have used fluorine-based ion conductor. So on the lower left, there is a picture of PEM stack structure. So from all the way to current collector to bipolar, as you start going inside, there's a gasket and there is GDL and there is a catalyst, and the catalyst goes on top of our electrolyte membrane. And depends on who you talk to, MEA can mean electrolyte membrane plus catalyst and GDL, and some people may actually include gasket as well. But I talk about MEA because our customers actually that we are looking for tends to be MEA makers in Eastern Korea. So in Korea, we've been working with at least 3 MEA makers. We have found over years, and we are actually selling it to some of them, actually as in mass producing for them. So we are hoping to find more customers who might be interested in fuel cell and maybe using our membrane to develop other PEM applications. So that's it for the presentation that I prepared. Uh, we are actually, to be honest, looking for opportunities to work with companies in Europe. Uh, we actually are in talks with some places here and there, and we are looking forward to expanding our networks in Europe. So uh, I will greatly appreciate any chance to do that. So I look forward to meeting some of you maybe in the future if possible. So thank you very much for your time today and have a good day. Thank you.